Australian made, Australian owned and operated. Over 70 years of gate manufacturing experience, producing gates of the highest quality in Albury, New South Wales. Murray gates are the real heavyweights in Aussie-made gates. Murray's range of extra heavy-duty gates are perfect for larger stock and yards where there's a lot of pressure being brought to bear on the gate. With 350 grade high tensile 32mm nominal bore frame, these gates, galvanised inside and out, can take punishment. The fully notched welded joints increase the strength of the gate frame and resist cracking for many years. The mesh used for the gate mat is 5mm before it's galvanised, and the small aperture means that there's a lot of mesh on the gate, adding strength yet again. And of course the upright stay gates are available with an added crossbar for extra strength should you need it. So when you're ready to get serious about your stock gates, buy Australian, buy Murray. Murray gates are proudly manufactured on the banks of the Murray River in Australia. Murray manufacture gates up to 6 metres in length in a range of designs. And if they don't make something you want, give them a call. They can sort you out.